Night I'm Intruder. So I'm going to discuss my artwork. This is called the voyeuristic machine. I'm using a very old machine to do high-end stuff like AI, image detection, object detection, and stuff like that. It's my reaction on privacy monitoring. Diba we know smart devices, they store data of people, reactions to siya dun sa issue na. Also, yung issue ng obsolescence, I'm using a very old Pi 3D that is almost 10 years old. Yung function ng Pi 3D is not meant for AI or high-end stuff. Pinili ko lang sa gumana for monitoring. So ito naman yung Happy-Phobic machine. These are supposed to be touched and hit. I injected irony into my artwork. Instead of touching instruments, I use sensors. Before touching the instrument, it will already fuse.